How to earn $500 per month in passive income. Imagine waking up every morning, checking your bank account, and seeing new money coming in without having to work for it. Now, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about passive income, earning money in your sleep. So, how would earning $500 every month change your life? Could it pay for your rent, your student loans, your next vacation? I'm about to break down 4 powerful ways you can earn $500 a month in passive income, and none of them require you to quit your day job. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan on how to turn these ideas into reality. Let's dive in. The setup. The fear of stagnation. We all know the grind, right? 9 to 5, hustling hard, but still feeling like you're stuck in the same place. You feel like you're not making progress, not moving forward in your financial life. It's easy to feel frustrated. But what if you could change that? What if instead of working harder, you could let your money work for you? That's where passive income comes in. It's the key to unlocking financial freedom and breaking free from the cycle of trading time for money. But I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. I've been there. I've felt that hesitation. But today, I'm giving you real strategies that can start earning you money while you sleep. Ready for that? Let's go. The confrontation, the excitement of opportunity. 1. Real estate investing with little money. First up, let's talk about real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking. Real estate is for the rich. I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars. But here's the secret. You don't need that much to get started. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate with just a few $100. This means you can start earning passive income without owning an entire building. Can you feel the excitement yet? Now, here's the handoff for you. Think about this. In 10 years, what would you rather have? A couple $100 invested in real estate or no investments at all? I'll let you think about that for a moment. Drop your thoughts in the comments. But hang tight, because the next strategy is even simpler, and you can start with literally nothing. Let's go. 2. Dividend stocks. Your money. Working for you. Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. These are the stocks that pay you, the investor, just for holding on to them. Imagine this. Every quarter, you get a payment for doing absolutely nothing. This is passive income in its purest form. I'm talking about blue-chip companies like Coca-Cola, AT&T, and Johnson & Johnson. These companies have been around for decades, and they reward you for investing in them. It's like having a paycheck without working. And here's the handoff. Think about your dream life. What would $500 a month do for you? Would it give you the freedom to travel, take a day off, or start a new side project? I want you to picture that. The urgency here is clear. The earlier you start, the more you earn in the long run. You want to get started today, not tomorrow. Now, let's take this one step further. Let me show you a strategy that costs you absolutely nothing to start. The resolution, the urgency to act. 3. Affiliate marketing, a game changer with zero investment. So you're ready for something that costs you nothing to start? Here's the magic: affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income, and it's something anyone can do, even if you're starting with zero experience. All you need to do is promote products or services that you believe in, using special affiliate links. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a personal shopper and getting paid for it. And here's the thing. You don't need to be a social media influencer to succeed. Trust me, I didn't become a millionaire by influencing brands. Instead, I focused on promoting products to people who actually needed them. Anyone can start affiliate marketing with a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a strong Instagram following. The best part? Once the affiliate links are set up, they work for you passively. Picture this. While you're sleeping, someone buys through your link and you earn money. Cool, right? Handing off here. If you start now, you could have your first affiliate sale tomorrow. Imagine waking up to an email that says, "You earned a commission overnight." Trust me, it's a game changer. 4. Online courses and digital products. Create once, sell forever. Finally, we get to one of the most powerful forms of passive income: digital products. Whether it's an online course, an ebook, or even digital art, you can create a product once and sell it forever. You might be thinking, but I'm not an expert. I don't know how to create a course. Let me stop you right there. You already have valuable knowledge. Whether it's about cooking, fitness, or even personal finance, there's someone out there who would love to learn from you. The beauty of digital products is that they allow you to scale your income. Once your course or product is made, you can sell it to an unlimited number of people without doing any extra work. Create it once, and then watch the income roll in. Here's the handoff to you. If you've got a skill, knowledge, or passion, you have the potential to turn it into a passive income stream. It's all about sharing what you know with the world, and it's something anyone can do. I challenge you, start brainstorming right now. What product could you create that would generate passive income for you? Let's hear your ideas in the comments. Actionable steps and urgency. You've now got 4 incredible ways to start earning $500 a month in passive income: real estate, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, and digital products. It's all about getting started right now. Let me be real with you. The longer you wait, the longer you delay your financial freedom. Start today. Pick just one of these strategies and take action. Trust me, it's worth it. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who need to hear this. Let's start earning passive income together, because you deserve it. This is just the beginning. Your $500 a month is waiting. What are you going to do with it?